Good morning, guys. It's 8 What's up, you guys? It's Go Ducks Phone. What you guys been up to? So, how's it going? Anything like this? Anything new? I'm just walking to work because we still haven't got the car fixed yet. But hopefully today we will get some. But I'm drinking my coffee. Yes, I need my coffee in the morning because I'm dead tired, but that's okay. Coffee's good. Coffee's like, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. By the way, I'm gonna be doing my skill sets today, so that's what's going on.
We are having pancakes, hash browns, and eggs. And we have fruit salad.
Well, Grace is asleep, and we're going to prolong her nap because we don't want to move her, and she's played hard today. Where did her... Okay, so apparently we keep clothes in here now, too, for the baby.
We have.
A dirty clothes for a baby.
So what are we having?
We are having wraps because I was gonna make quesadillas, but then I got carried away and got excited.
And so we're having wraps. Grace is having her pancake. Is it good, Grace? Is it good? So that's what Grace is having. And same with oatmeal.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Oh, you got my hands.
Uh-oh.
Peekaboo! Oh, Gracie.
Grace!
Peekaboo!
Are you gonna have Mom? Boom! Are you all done? Sit up! You can do it! You can do it! Come on, Grace, you can do it! Come on, you can do it! You just keep trying, just keep trying, just keep trying, trying. Keep trying. You got it! Just keep trying! Keep trying! Keep going! Don't give up! Oh, it's bedtime? Should we go to bed? Okay, good night!
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye.